For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Etsy has become one of the most accessible and profitable platforms for creative entrepreneurs. With over 90 million active buyers as of 2025, it's a marketplace teeming with opportunity. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, tools has made it even easier for beginners and experienced sellers alike to build thriving Etsy businesses. Here's how you can leverage AI to make money on Etsy, step by step. Step 1. Understand the Etsy marketplace. Before diving into selling, it's crucial to understand what sells on Etsy. Popular categories include digital downloads, printables, templates, planners, personalized gifts, jewelry and handmade accessories, home decor and art, stickers and craft supplies. AI tip: use AI-powered research tools like Sales Samurai, Everbee, or eRank. These tools analyze Etsy trends, keywords, pricing, and competition, helping you identify profitable niches. Step 2. Choose a profitable niche. A niche helps you stand out in Etsy's competitive marketplace. Look for something with high demand and low to moderate competition. Ideas: wedding templates, invitations, seating charts, AI art prints, printable planners and journals, niche t-shirt slogans or designs, resume templates or business cards. AI tip: use ChatGPT to brainstorm niche ideas. Ask prompts like, what are 10 trending Etsy shop ideas that use digital products in 2025? You can also feed your ideas into Google Trends or AI SEO tools to test demand. Step 3. Decide what to sell, digital or physical products. You have two main choices. 1. Digital products, low cost, passive income. Once created, they sell repeatedly with no extra work. Popular items: wall art, budget spreadsheets, Canva templates, printable games. 2. Physical products, requires inventory or print on demand. More work, but often higher profit per item. You can use AI tools to create designs, which are printed and shipped by third parties like Printful or Printify. AI tip: use Midjourney or DALL-E via ChatGPT to create AI-generated art for prints or apparel. You retain commercial rights with the right subscription. Step 4. Use AI to design your products. If you're not a graphic designer, AI design tools can handle this for you. For digital products, use Canva plus ChatGPT to generate content. For example, ask ChatGPT, create a 30-day self-care planner with weekly check-ins and daily journal prompts. Plug the result into a Canva template, adjust branding, and export as PDF. For AI art, use DALL-E via ChatGPT Plus or Midjourney to generate images. Prompt example: vintage floral wall art in pastel tones, minimalist background, 300 dpi. Save your art and sell it as digital prints or framed wall art using print-on-demand services. Step 5. Set up your Etsy shop. 1. Go to etsy.com/sell and click Get Started. 2. Choose your shop name. Use keywords if possible. 3. Upload a profile picture and shop banner. Canva has templates. 4. Write a clear bio and shop announcement. ChatGPT can write these for you. AI tip: ask ChatGPT. Write a compelling Etsy shop bio for a digital printables business that helps moms stay organized. Step 6. Optimize your listings using AI. Your listing title, description, tags, and images play a massive role in whether your product is seen. 1. Titles and tags. Use keyword tools like eRank or Sales Samurai to discover top search phrases. You can then use ChatGPT to create optimized titles. Generate 5 Etsy listing titles for a printable weekly planner using keywords: printable planner, weekly schedule, A4 digital download. 2. Descriptions. ChatGPT can write detailed, benefit-focused descriptions. Write an Etsy product description for a minimalist black and white wall art digital download. Highlight instant delivery, printing instructions, and style. 3. Mockups and thumbnails. Use AI-enhanced mockup tools like Smart Mockups, Placeit, or Canva AI to showcase how your product looks in real-world settings. Step 7. Price strategically with AI help. Pricing digital products can be tricky. Use competitor research and AI analysis tools to find the sweet spot. Use Sales Samurai or Everbee to compare similar products. Ask ChatGPT, what's a competitive price range for printable budgeting planners on Etsy? Factor in Etsy fees about 6.5%, time spent, and the perceived value of your design. Step 8. Promote your shop with AI tools. Having a great product isn't enough. You need visibility. 1. Social media content creation. Use ChatGPT to write Instagram captions, Pinterest pin descriptions, and even blog posts promoting your products. Example prompt. Write 5 Pinterest pin descriptions for a modern digital wall art set. 2. Email marketing with AI. Use MailerLite or ConvertKit with ChatGPT to generate welcome emails, product launch updates, and newsletters. 3. Pinterest plus Canva plus AI. Pinterest is a top traffic source for Etsy. Create pin designs using Canva templates and schedule them via Tailwind. Step 9. Automate and scale with AI. Once your store gains traction, it's time to automate. AI tools to consider. ChatGPT for customer service replies, product descriptions, and marketing content. Zapier, automate tasks like email follow-ups, new product announcements, etc. Canva Pro plus Magic Design, automate new product visuals with templates. Prettify AI, generate product mockups, and sync with your Etsy shop. Scaling strategy. Add more products weekly. AI makes this fast. Use customer reviews and feedback to improve or add variations. Upsell bundles and offer seasonal items. Step 10. Monitor, optimize, and repeat. Your Etsy journey doesn't stop at launching a shop. Monitor performance weekly. Key metrics, views, favorites, and conversion rate found in Etsy dashboard. Sales by product and traffic source. AI tip, ask ChatGPT. Based on low conversion rates and high traffic on my product, what could be wrong with my Etsy listing? This allows you to test and tweak your product descriptions, images, or pricing using AI insight. Final tips for success. Consistency wins. Uploading consistently signals Etsy that you're an active seller. Stay seasonal. Use AI to plan for holidays and trends, e.g., Halloween templates, Valentine's cards. Invest in branding. Use AI tools to create a consistent aesthetic across listings. Engage with your audience. AI can help manage your time so you can respond promptly and build loyal customers. Conclusion. Making money on Etsy with the help of AI is not only possible, it's one of the most scalable and beginner-friendly online business models today. AI tools remove the barrier of needing advanced design skills, copywriting expertise, or a large team. Whether you sell digital downloads, AI-generated art, or print-on-demand products, the key is to start simple, optimize with data, and stay consistent. In time, what starts as a side hustle could become a full-fledged business. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.